Barbie, Skipper, Stacy, Chelsea, and Ken are getting ready for their 4th of July party. Ken is grilling up the food. Chelsea is waiting for her friends to come and play on the bounce house. And Skipper and Stacy are talking to each other. Barbie is going around making sure that everything looks perfect. Okay, are the chairs sturdy enough? Are they not falling over? Yeah, they're not falling over. Is the bouncy castle bouncy enough? Yeah, it's good. Are the hot dogs going well and the meats? Yes, they are, Barbie. Oh, I just want this 4th of July party to be perfect for us. Because I don't want anyone to have something bad happen to them at the party, and then they'll never want to come to one of our parties ever again. Barbie, calm down. Of course they'll want to come to one of our parties. They're so fun. Yeah, Barbie, you don't need to worry so much. Okay, I guess. Hey, Barbie, do we come in through the gate? Oh, yeah, you do. Here, I'll come with you. Thank you so much for hosting this party. It's such a joy that we could come and watch the fireworks with you guys. Oh, yeah. Mommy, why didn't you carry me? Because I can only carry you or your sister Vanellope. Now go over with Chelsea. Yay, Chelsea! Hey, Chelsea. And then you can come over and sit with me and talk with me. Okay. So, Chelsea, what's going on today? Nothing much. We were just getting ready to go on the bouncy house. I was just waiting for my friends to come. Oh, well, we're your friends, so let's go. Yeah. Whee. This is so bouncy, Chelsea. Whee. There's even a slide. Whee. That was so fun. I love bouncy houses. Yay. Yeah, Ken rented it for us. Wow. Thank you, Ken. I want to go on this swing. Okay, go ahead. This swing. This swing looks fun. Wee. Anyways, Chelsea, what are we going to eat? Well, what did your mom bring for the potluck? Oh, she brought her homemade potato chips. They're so good. Those do sound good. Anyways, Ken is grilling some hot dogs and stuff. Yum, I love hot dogs. And then he's going to set off the fireworks for us to watch. Wow, that's so cool. And he even got this bounce house. Yeah, we'll have to tell him thank you. Yeah. Oh, it looks like Tiffany and Destiny are here. Hey, girls. Hey, Ghost. Vanellope. Yay. Hi, Vanellope. Hey. I'm going to sit by you and talk to you like they're talking. Hey, girls. Hey, Tiffany. I saw you at swim practice yesterday, Chelsea. Yeah. You guys do swim team? I didn't know that. Yeah, but we're on a low level. Yeah. Oh, I do horseback riding if someday you want to do horseback riding too. Cool. Cool. Oh, there's too many girls here. Where are the boys? I want to play with the boys. There's no boys here. Over here. But we invited Darren. Oh, yeah, me and Darren are best friends. Yeah, I knew that, Cole. That's why I invited them. Yay! Anyways, we set up the pond and we put new fish in the pond so that you guys can fish in there. Oh, cool. I'll go look at that. Some pretty nice fish. Chloe, you're here too? Oh, Tiffany. Hey. Hey, Chelsea. And what's your name? Margot. Hey, Margot. I'm going to ditch this low-rate production. I'm going to go with the bigger kids, like Stacy and Skipper. because they're cooler than you guys. Hey! Well, it's fine. She left. Anyway, yeah, at least now she can't be rude to us. Barbie and her mom are friends. That's why she always comes to everything that I go to. Oh, that must be hard for you. Yeah, 'cause she's not very kind to me. You're me. Come on, little sis, let's go. Okay. Hey, guys. Hey, Darren. What about me? Oh, yeah, guys, this is my little sister. I'm not sure if you've met her before. What's your name? Willie. Well, Willie, you can go over there with Destiny and Vanellope. Okay. I got you mixed up with your sister, Tiffany. I guess that is kind of funny. Are there any boys here? Yeah, Cole is over by the pond. He was waiting for you so that you could fish together. Oh, cool, bro! Bro, now we can finally fish. Yeah! Anyways, guys, I want to get on the bounce house. Yay, the bounce house. I have a stuffy nose a little. Yay! Yay, 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 ah! Ow, you were bouncing so hard that I fell off the swing. That's okay, boy. Hey, girls, do you want to go and see what food they have? Yeah, 'cause I'm a little bit hungry, and I kind of want a drink, too. Okay, let's go. Oh, they left. I guess they did. Hey, guys. Hey, Mila. Do you guys know where Stacy is? Yeah, Mila, she's over there. Okay. What do you guys want to do? Do you have a pool? We do, but it's like we weren't planning to swim in it, so we didn't tell anyone to bring their swimsuits. Well, do you girls want to go with those other little girls and see what foods they have and stuff? Okay, let's go. Okay, girls, so I don't think that we can reach the food, so we can ask Ken or we can try and get it ourselves. Let's try and get it ourselves. Okay. You can go first. What's there? Oh, wait, first I need a plate, obviously. Then I want to get a hot dog. And how about some of these potato chips? Oh, and some broccoli, because my mom tells me to be healthy. And then I'll come back for a chocolate chip cookie. Girls, your turn next. Okay, let me see. I don't really want any of this stuff, so... Oh, I want some of the steak. There we go. Some broccoli. And a few lemons for taste. And then, I'll come back for a cookie too. My turn. I want a chicken leg. And a roll. And some corn. And some potato chips. This looks so good. Okay, guys, I got my plate and food. It looks so good. Now let's dig in. Hey, girls, do you mind if I take this chair because Mila needs one? Sure. It looks so good. I'm going to put some sauce on mine. Doesn't it look so good? Yeah, I got this hot dog, but I'm just gonna eat some of this salad that's here and some of these chips too. Yeah, anyways, let's eat. Since we ate all of our good food, now we can have some cookies. Yay! So tasty. Everyone, come over here. The fireworks are about to start. Okay. I'm so excited for the fireworks. Raquel, I'm excited too, I guess. I'm excited for them. Coming too. 3. We are coming. Almost everyone is over here. Chelsea, come on. Coming. Me too. Don't forget me. We're coming. Yeah, we're coming. I'm coming. And me. Is that everyone? Yeah. Now let's watch the fireworks. Wow. They look so beautiful. Well guys, everyone had to go back to their house because it's nap time now. But I hope you enjoyed our vlog and look out for more videos like this from Barbie's house. Bye! Also, make sure to like and subscribe and comment what your favorite part of the video was. Bye!